This is one of the cypresses, tall cypress. The pot itself is only this much, that is hardly some 6 or 8 inches. And in that, this plant has succeeded in growing almost about 3 feet. That much it's grown, and it's coming from the one clump. This is one of the aquatic sedge that grows in, I think, almost standing water, boggy places and all that. And then leaves and all are having that sedge characteristic, that is triangular. Here you can see one line in the middle. So that V shape will form like this. So here we can see the V shape. That central line is there here. That is an indication of that angle. So sedges have wedges, so this is a wedge, that one. And then little bit roughness is there in this part also. The edge also some light shape, some zigzag saw shape is there, sandpaperish type. So that is one thing. And then this underneath of the leaf, and then above part. Here also you can see there is one central line here. So these sedges normally, cypress and all, and you can fold it like that. So that is one indication, that one. And then little bit roughness in the side of. Anyway, there is some. It's not the leaf has some peculiar character. That much I can sum it up. That's one thing. Stems are quite stiff and erect. In the breeze and wind and all, they will not fall down also. It's having that much strength, this one. And then if we go up and to see the flowering part, like a round shape is there, like this. Then actually that central stem is coming all the way to the top, and then this flowering part is, inflorescence part is emerging out at the top like a palm tree almost, and then from there the individual florets and all, they come out. So that is a mature flower, this one. Then little bit immature one is there here, this one. It's a very attractive sedge and quite easy to keep also, most non-demanding. So this is the flowering part. So in this one, if we see, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 10 or 12 of these individual portions emerge from that flower, and each of them has some intricate shape and color, and then the flowers also are there formed in that. So and they become seeds also. So this is a smaller flower that is just opening up. Then even more immature one looks like this. There are 4 or 5 sedges that are looking very similar to this. So exact species identification and all is going to be little hard, but approximately I will get identity, and that one I will write in the title of this video. So it is like this. Then as it grows up, it will become bigger and open up and become like this. And finally, when it's fully ready, it becomes like this. So this is the height of the whole plant, that much. It's taller than me, so it's quite, must be some 6 feet, like that. Then individual flower, 1 or 2 will now have a look. Oh, came out. It's a bit small to get better detail. Anyway, that's how it looks. That small white things what you see must be the flowers in all probability. Then once it is mature, I think here the seed formation must have happened. They all have attractive shades of red and orange and multiple colors and very intricate shapes also. So this is one of the sedge, tall sedge of this brachy like bog places. And such so tall plants you will not find in rock outcrops and all, because that much nutrient is not there. These plants like a rich, carbon rich nutrient that is normally found in wetlands, riparian wetlands and all. So it is that kind of grass, cypress. So whole plant looks like this, and this is one of our mother plant collection only. And these plants have various uses. They are all they perform ecological functions in these lakes and wet places, because one is they accumulate many toxic stuff and they help to filter the water also. All these, they have quite powerful roots that are under the ground, which we can't see, but if you dig it out you will notice. And then in these moist places, the area underneath where the roots are formed, it's called rhizosphere. So in that rhizosphere will be full of these roots of this one, in that wetlands, and where this dirty water is flowing in such places, clean water also, but by and large the water is nowadays dirty. So the root zone under the ground is called rhizosphere, and in that rhizosphere these roots are extensive, and the moist, that boggy water flows slowly through the roots and it filters out the whatever particles and muck that is there in the water. So these Plants, they perform a function in the ecology, that is they clear up the water. If you want clean water, mildly polluted water and all, they have the capacity to clean it up underground, that is in the rhizosphere. So they do rhizofiltration, which is a very important ecological function, and they clean up the water, and then they provide habitat for many creatures in these corners and nooks and crannies and all. So this is one of the important sedge and Cyperus family member of our Indian wetlands. And we can see the flower ones a little bit close quarters, and I will close this video.